Start. Tipid. Bola ng Camel. Three points. Sino yung tumira ito? Number 15. 15 for 3. Number 7, nilabas. Pasa to number 15. Balik kay 15. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by 23. Who's foul rep? Foul number 23. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul number 23. EC2 by rebound by 41. Pinira sa labas. No good. Rebound by number 7. Bola ng block. Five. Ano ko pa mga dito pa? 11. Dario. Nilabas ni 23. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by nakuha ni number 16. Pass to 7. No good. Ay, pasok pala. Pasok by number 7. 23. Pass to number 11. Binalik kay 23. Perimeter jumper. Air ball. Number 9, binababa ang bola. Bounce pass to 15. Tumira ng 3. Air ball. Bola ng block. Number 11. Pass to number 23. To 41. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Number 9. To number 1, tumira ng 3. No goal. Rebound by 23. Bounce pass to number 11. Easy 2. Score natin. 10-2 in favor of Camel. 18 to shoot. Interception. No good. Quality 15. No good ulit. Quality number 11. 23. Easy 2. By number 69. 2.69. Rebound by number 69. Quality number 23. 23. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. ng white. Floater, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 69. Kenka. 41 pala. One ni number 7. Number 9, EC2. Del Rio. No good. Rebound by 69. Wala, wala. Sabihin ko ba? Number 1, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 9. Strip from behind. Steal. Steal ulit. Gian. Ipod ka nga dyan, hindi kita nila. Easy 2. By number 7. Hindi kita nila pag nasa gilid. Number 11. To number 15. Pass to 69. Intercepted. Nakuha ni number 1. Drive. Easy 2 by number 1. The wheel. Balik kay number 11. Tumira. No good. Tumira ng 3. No good. 23. Pass to 69. Good for 2. Nice assist by number 23. Good find. Number 9. Change 5. Sorry. Akin na. Change 5. Bola ng camel. Bola ng Sweats. Number 8. Likot, number 2. By number 20. Number 12, bounce pass. Balik kay number 12. Pump fake. Take ulit. Number 7. Pass to nobody. Super 2. Super 2 by number 12. Tumira ng 3. Super 3. Tumira ng 3. No good. 20. Easy 2. By number 4. Number 8, Tumira. No good. 5 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. 3. Super 3. Number 8, 45. Tumira ng 3. No good. Follow up by number 3. To shoot. Nilabas kay number 12. Tumira. No good. Rebound by same ball. Tumira ng 3. Ulit. No good. Kuha ni number 45. Bad pass, pero nakuha pa rin niya. Perimeter jumper, no good. 1. number 12. 12 drives. Easy 2 by number 12. Bounce pass by number 12. Balikin number 12. 45. Nice reverse by number 45. Score natin 23-15 in favor of Camel. 13. Nilabas. Number 12. Tumira, no good. Foul. Who's foul? Foul number 8. First personal, first team foul. Number 12, tumirang 3. Pasok. Last 12 seconds sa ating first quarter. Bounce pass to number 8. Number 8. No good. End of our first quarter. Score natin 26-15 in favor of Camel. Back to the ball game. Ball in ang Sweats. Sweats. Too strong. Bad pass. Number 1. Number 1, pass to number 23. Tumira. Good for 2. By number 8. Tumatawag na play si number 1. Pinasa gitna. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 1. Bad pass. Too strong. Sweats, anong apelido ng number 23? Number 9. Floater. Good for 2. Check mo. Number 7. Number 1. Silas sa labas. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 9. Slowly dribbling the ball. Bad pass, quality 15. Number 1. 23. Quad 23. No good pa rin. Number 9. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Bar number 9. Number 1. Slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to 23. No good by number 8. Number 9, tumira ulit ng 3. Quick release. Easy 2 by number 16. 23. Separation, tumira. Rebound by 41. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 15. First personal foul, second team foul. First team foul pala. Second step, no good. Walang pumasok. Nakuha ni 15. Tumira ng long 2. No good. Number 1. No good. Foul. Foul number 1. First personal, second team foul. Number 1. Bounce pass. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Number 11. Pasok by number 20. Number 9, bad pass to number 9. Siya man lamang ng Camel. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Tumira ulit ng 3. Pasok. Nasaan siya? Good block. Blocking number 1. Nakablock number 1. 23. So number 15, tumira ulit. No good. Same ball. 13 to shoot. Number 1, foul by number 9. Change time. Score natin, 34-22 in favor of Camel. Bola ng Camel. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Score natin 37-22. Number 13, tumira ng long 3 points. Number 13, 3 points. Drive, bounce pass to 69, blocked by number 23, 28. No good. Traveling violation. Number 12. Inabas. Pasay 14. Number 8. Tinira. No good. 52. No good. Nagbalas. Good steal. Foul. Who's foul rep? Sorry. Number 3. Foul number 3. Kailan si number 3? Number 3, first personal, first team foul. Bigay mo na dyan. Number 2, by number 28. Big boy. Baligay number 12. Pass to number 4. Tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by number 12. Tumira ng 3, number 12, no good. Nakuha ulit number 12. 14 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. No good pa rin. Reset. Tumira ng 3. No good. Quality number 3. Free throw. No good pa rin. Tumira ng 3. No good. Dami nun. 28 right. Easy 2. Balikan number 12. Number 12. 10 to shoot. Three to shoot. Good, tumama. Number 8. To 13. Pinasa kay 14, pumira ng 3. No good. 200. Foul. Thousand plus a foul by number 28. Timeout, Camel. Score natin, 37-31 in favor of Camel. Foul number 69. 69, first personal foul, second team foul. Back to the ball game. Free throw. Tumira. Pasok. Lima na lang lamang. Balik kay 12. Bounce pass to number 4. Balik kay 12. Tumira to 3. No good. Out of bounds. Last 40 seconds ating second quarter. Fade away. No good. Rebound by number 12. Overpass. Last 25 seconds ating second quarter. Intercepted. Running time tayo ha. 15 seconds. Out of bounds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the second quarter. Score natin, 37. Bola ng Sweats. Bola ng sweats, bola ng sweats. Last arrow. Nasa sweats kanina. Bola ng camel. Open sub na tayo ngayon ha, open sub. No good. Stolen. By number 16. Good block. Block by 41. Pinasa kay Waki. Good steal. By number 1. Easy 2. Steal plus point. Number 16. Sa bitawan. Stepping. Bola ng camel. The Leo. Number 1 to number 7. Good for 2 by number 7. No good. Good for 2. Number 16. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 15. Second personal foul, first team foul. One number 7. 10 to shoot. Sorry. No good. Nakuha ulit number 8. Block by number 28. Block. Nakablock sa 28. Foul number 7. Hindi. Foul number 7. Amen. Nakablock sa number 8. Bad pass. Number 1. No good. Number 7. Tumira yung 3. No good. Gian, tabi ka dyan, Gian. Hindi namin makita. Good for 2. To number 15. Good for 2 by number 15. Number 1. No good. To number 7. 16. Balik niya 16. No good. Number 7. Substitution. Gian. Ano yung tabi niya dyan? Hindi namin makita yung side. Substitution. Bounce pass. 28. Good for 2. Babasa 5 kalamangan. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 14. Binababa bola. Slowly dribbling the ball. Bounce pass. Bad pass. Nakuha ni Zelio. Finger roll. No good. Number 1. Bounce pass to number 15. Tumira ng 3. Pass shot. 3 points by number 15. Number 1. No good. Number 1. Easy kill. All. Score natin. All 43. Number 7, separation. 2 for 2. Ganda nun. Number 1. Tumirang 3. No good. Bad pass. Timeout. Camel. Wala tayong carry over sa timeout. Ball game. Number 12, bounce pass 23. Tumira ng 3. No good. Bola ng puti. Balik back. Balik 28. Ganda ng pasa. Good for 2. Tumawa separation, number 12. Balik kay 41, tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points by number 41. Moreno, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by 69. 23. Binababa bola. Bounce pass to 69. Floater, good for 2. Balik sa 5. Score natin, 50-45. Oras, 3 minutes sa third quarter. Shot clock, 15 seconds. Tumira 3. Good for 3. Good for 3 by number 15. Number 12. Number 12. 23. Bad pass. 8 to shoot. No good. Kuha ni number 8. Dead. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni number 12. Rebound by number 12. Cross. Block. Clean block again by number. Substitution. Number 3 in. 17 to shoot. 2023. 16 to shoot. Pass to 15. Naiwan. Bumato. No good. Pass. Sablay. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Foul number 8. Yung team foul there. Second personal foul, second team foul. Tumira? No good. Walang pumasok. Number 12. Pass to number 28. 28. Bob. Substitution. 69. Foul number 69.
Ilan na? 69.
2 personal foul. Second personal foul, first team foul. Second game foul. Bad pass. Steal by number 69. Layup, good for 2. Five to shoot. Steal by number 23. Sinasakay number 12, tumira. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Timeout. Sweats. 36 seconds sa natitira sa ating third quarter. Bounce pass. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Sorry, hindi ko makita. Foul number 3. Second personal, 13 foul. Sablay, unang tira. Second attempt. No good pa rin. 1 minute time differential sa ating shot clock. 1 second pala, 1 second. Tumira? No good. 20 number 8. 13 to shoot. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Binalik kay number 9. Tumira ng 3. No good. End of the third quarter. Score natin 55-48. Favor of Camel. After the ball game. Ball in the Sweats. Umikot. Foul. Foul sa baba. Foul number 41. Foul number 41. First personal, first team foul. Number 12, no good. Number 12, natapik. Easy lang daw, sabi 23. 15 to shoot. 23 to number 12. Bounce pass to 41. Good shot. By 41. Score natin, 57-48. Siya man lamang. No, hindi nakuha. Tumirang 3, pasok. Number 3 by number 15. Pull up 2, no good. Rebound by number 3. No good pa rin. Number 13, hesitate. 15, good for 2. Tumira ng 3. No good.
Dalawa sa quarter. Dalawang timeout sa quarter.
Spin move. Pinasa ulit sa labas. No good. Kuha ni number 8. Steal by number 23. Easy 2. Intercepted ulit. Layup. Good for 2 by number 3. Timeout. Sweat.
Cancel.
Back to the ball game.
Tubigan mo.
Number 14. Intercepted, steal by number 3. Layup, lumilipad. Number 3 show. Number 1. Steal tsaka bounce pass, umikot. Good for 2. Good yun, continuation. Wag lang ito 3 points. Number 12. Tumira sa labas. Too strong. Nakuha ni number 8. Rebound number 8. Number 8. Tumira ng 3. Air ball by number 1. Sa dead, saan tayo? Nice pass to number 3. Good for 2. 10 kalamangan. Score natin 65-55 sa fourth quarter. Good steal by number 2. Love. Alley-oop. Lumilipad. Ang taas ng alley-oop na yun. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Bounce pass. Good for 2. Foul. Substitution. Foul number 41. Substitution. Second personal, second team foul. No good pa rin. No good. Kuha ni number 3. Rebound ni number 2. Good pass. Balikin number 12. Pull up. Ganda nun. Good for 2 by number 12. Score natin, 69-55. Ganda ng pasa. No good. Teardrop. Good for two. Number 12. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Substitution, boss.
No good. Kuha ni number 1, Capones. Number 12. Cross pass to 15. Tumiran 3. No good. Out of bounds. Substitution. Number 12. Pasay 28. Good for two. Number 1. Easy two by number 3. Score natin 70-4. Uy, spin move. Wala nga lang, di na finish. Number 12, drive. No good. Rebound by number 41. Number 1, easy two. Steal by number 41. Stop and pop. No good. Score natin 75-57. Tumiran 3. Pasok. Babasa na binili pa. Long to lang. Game.
Wala tayo dito baseball.
Number 12, tumiran 3, airball. Substitution.
Timeout, sir. Timeout.
Timeout ba? Timeout, Camel. Score natin, 75-59.
Long to lang pala yun, boss. Long to lang. Step it to pala. Nakatalikod lang sa'yo kaya para safe.
Back to the bogey. Score natin, 75-59. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Stop time na tayo ngayon. Counted, plus a foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 69. Foul number 69. Third personal, 13 foul. Reverse, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, counted, plus a 5. Who's foul rep? Foul number 15. Third personal, first team foul. No good. number 9. Cross pass. Tumira ulit ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. White ball. Floater, good for 2. By number 7. Number 7. 17 to shoot. Pass to number 4. Layup, no good. Good block ulit by 28. Tumira ng 3. No good. 2016. No good pa rin. 2011. 20 to shoot. Oras natin, last 20 seconds sa ating fourth quarter.
Best player, number 3.
Final score, 77-64.